Having trouble saving numbers in WhatsApp from your country or any country from the world, in this video we'll solve that issue. First of all, go to the WhatsApp app, open your WhatsApp app and click on plus new section and create new contact. Here you can save any person information, for example Ram, Dong, and to add this phone number from your country you have to select your country from this list. If it is from worldwide, then select other countries such as USA, and you can just add a phone number. If the phone number is correct, then you'll see small section showing this phone number is available in WhatsApp, else it won't show up because I have entered a wrong number. So after that you just click on save and you'll able to chat with the person easily. So that is how we do it. Thanks for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe.